What are periglacial processes? Have you ever wondered how the coldest places on Earth shape their unique environments? Today, we will uncover the fascinating world of periglacial processes, especially in polar regions where permafrost reigns. Periglacial processes are the natural actions that take place in cold environments where the ground remains frozen for at least 2 consecutive years. This condition is known as permafrost. These processes mainly occur near glaciers or in cold areas with seasonal freezing and thawing cycles, often at the edges of glaciated zones. A key feature of these environments is permafrost, which is ground that stays frozen year-round. The top layer of permafrost, called the active layer, thaws during warmer months and refreezes when temperatures drop. This cycle of freezing and thawing is what drives many periglacial processes. One major process is freeze-thaw weathering, also referred to as frost shattering. Water seeps into cracks in rocks, freezes, and expands. This expansion causes the rock to break apart into angular pieces. These fragments can gather at the base of slopes as scree or from extensive blockfields known as felsenmeer. This process plays a significant role in shaping the land by breaking down rock and influencing soil formation. Another important periglacial process involves mass movements. Here, soil and rock gradually shift downhill due to the freeze-thaw cycles. Frost heave is another interesting phenomenon where ice forms in the soil, causing the ground to lift and change shape. Nivation, which is the erosion and weathering that occurs beneath snow patches, also contributes to the changes in these regions. Periglacial landscapes are different from glacial ones. While glaciers alter the land through ice movement and erosion, periglacial processes modify the land mainly through the effects of freezing and thawing on the ground and surface materials. These unique landscapes often feature low-growing plants that can survive in cold conditions, exposed rocks, and patterned ground formed by the interaction between ice and soil. Understanding periglacial processes is essential because these areas cover vast parts of the polar regions and high latitudes. They influence ecosystem stability, infrastructure safety, and even the releases of carbon from thawing permafrost. Additionally, studying these processes helps scientists interpret past climate conditions and can even inform the search for similar environments on other planets. So, periglacial processes are the freeze-thaw-driven actions in cold, permafrost-dominated environments near glaciers or in polar regions. They shape unique landforms and play a vital role in the polar environment.